Hey guys, James here. We just finished up the Detailing Essentials series on the Detailed Image Ask a Pro blog, and basically it was kind of my top 8 most influential techniques and tips and products that I've really liked that have helped me throughout my detailing career. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already seen it, if you go to detailedimage.com and hit that Ask a Pro blog button right at the top, right in the middle there, you guys can see it. We'd love to hear back from you guys. And was it helpful? What products do you value the most? All that kind of stuff. But the reason I'm talking to you guys today is we're going to be launching weekly YouTube videos on the Detailed Image channel, and I'm kind of really excited to start gearing up on that. My goal with it is to do some how-tos, some product showcase, some project showcases, interviews, that kind of stuff. But I would love to hear from you guys and just see what you would want to see in a video. But anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys soon.